If you're over 50 and looking to earn some extra money, or maybe you're thinking about retiring early, then freelancing could be the perfect solution for you. Whether you've spent your career in physical labor or an office job, there are plenty of ways to leverage your years of experience in fields like writing, consulting, or tutoring to create a flexible, rewarding income stream. Many of us, after working for decades, are either unable or just not wanting to continue working in physically demanding jobs. But that doesn't mean you're out of options. Freelancing allows you to work from the comfort of your own home, set your own schedule, and earn money by sharing your expertise with others. In this video, I'll show you how to get started in freelancing, the best areas for people over 50, and how you can use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even local connections to find clients. Let's dive in. What is freelancing and why it's ideal for people? Over 50 freelancing is essentially being self-employed and offering your skills or services to clients on a project-by-project basis. The great thing about freelancing is that you have control. You decide when and how much you work. Whether you're looking for part-time income or want to build a full-time business, freelancing allows you to work around your lifestyle. Freelancing is especially ideal for people over 50 because it doesn't require the physical demands of labor-intensive jobs. Instead, you're using your knowledge and experience, things you've built up over decades, to help others. Whether you were in education, business, healthcare, or even construction, there are freelance opportunities waiting for you. The first step is to assess your skills and experience. What did you do during your career that you can now offer as a service? Let's break it down into a few key categories. If you enjoy writing or have experience with reports, documentation, or even creative writing, freelancing as a writer is a fantastic option. You can offer services like blog writing, content creation, ghostwriting, or even copywriting for businesses. Maybe you've spent years in management or a specialized field. Now you can offer your expertise as a consultant. Whether it's business consulting, financial advising, or career coaching, your experience is valuable to people who are just starting out or looking for expert advice. Do you have a background in education or a specific skill set that others might want to learn? Tutoring is a great way to use that knowledge. You can offer lessons in anything from math and science to writing or even foreign languages. And thanks to online platforms like Wyzant or VIPKid, you can do it all from home. Once you've identified your skills, it's time to find the right platform to offer your services. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great for getting started. They connect freelancers with clients looking for all kinds of services, from writing and consulting to tutoring and virtual assistant work. When setting up your profile, make sure to highlight your strengths and experience. Even if you're new to freelancing, years of professional experience go a long way in establishing credibility. It's important to write a compelling bio, list any certifications, and showcase work samples if possible. Getting your first few clients can feel intimidating, but there are a few key strategies that can help. First, don't be afraid to tap into your existing network. Reach out to former colleagues, friends, or even local businesses that might need your services. Many times, the best clients are the ones you already have some connection to. Another tip is to start small. If you're using platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, consider offering an introductory rate to get a few quick wins under your belt. Once you've completed a few projects and earned good reviews, you can raise your rates as you gain more experience. And speaking of reviews, ask your clients for feedback after each project. Positive reviews will help you build a strong reputation and attract more clients over time. As you start gaining more clients and experience, your freelance business will begin to grow. This is where you can really take control of your workload and your income. You can choose which projects to take on, set your rates, and decide how many hours you want to work each week. Maybe you only want to work part-time, or maybe you want to dive in full-time. The choice is yours. The more value you provide to your clients, the more referrals and repeat business you'll get. Freelancing offers so many benefits for people over 50. First, it gives you flexibility. You can set your own hours and work from anywhere. Whether you want to slow down and take on fewer hours or ramp up and build a thriving business, freelancing lets you choose. Second, freelancing leverages your experience. You've spent decades developing skills, and freelancing allows you to use that experience in a rewarding way without the physical strain of a traditional job. Finally, freelancing allows you to spend more time on what matters most. Whether that's your family, hobbies, or even traveling, You're no longer tied to a rigid work schedule. You're in control of your work-life balance. Freelancing is a fantastic way for people over 50 to earn money, either as a primary source of income or as a supplement to retirement. It's flexible, it uses your valuable experience, and best of all, it's something you can start today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on earning money after 50, and leave a comment with any questions you might have. I'm here to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.